Cycling through the city is an amazing experience, but there's one problem that all cyclists share, and that is navigation. We are very active cyclists ourselves, and we've often experienced how using your phone while cycling is both awkward and sometimes even dangerous. And having headphones in your ears telling you where to go just makes you lose some of that sense of freedom that cycling normally gives.
That is how the idea of Heise was born. We wanted to create a simple, affordable and easy to use product that will help find your way through the city. Heise works like a magic compass, but instead of pointing north, it points to your final destination. In that way, you are free to choose your own route through the city.
Just open the app, set your location and attach Heise to your bike. The LEDs of the outer circle show you the direction, and the central LED indicates the distance to your goal. So now you can find your own way through the city without being in danger of getting lost. And who knows what amazing places and experiences you can find by not choosing the route most traveled. Heise is made out of machined aluminium, making it sturdy and waterproof. And when you're not using the device, you can simply hide the rubber band within the device and put it in your pocket. That way, you can always bring it with you, be it to find that new restaurant after work or to discover when cycling abroad. If you have a day where you feel more like sticking to the main roads, Heise of course also offers turn-by-turn navigation.
We have spent the last year developing the simplest possible product to find your way through the city. And now we're very happy to have a working prototype, but we need your help to develop the first production run.
So, please support our campaign and make sure you will be one of the first owners of this magical compass that will change the way you navigate the city forever.
Wouldn't it be amazing that no matter where you go in the world, there's always a bike waiting for you? The idea for AirDonkey grew from a dream of a world where commuters, tourists and also people just enjoying the city choose the bike before the car. Hello, my name is Erdem.
And I'm Alexander.
We are from AirDonkey.
To make the dream come true, we sat down and developed an ecosystem that we felt could motivate people to use the bicycle as the main means of transportation.
The Airbnb model for bicycles, the AirDonkey.
AirDonkey is not just a product. We bring together the simplicity of Uber, the sharing economy of Airbnb, and the benefits of a bicycle.
The idea is, if you have a bike that you're not using, share it.
All you need to do is sign up to get a donkey kit.
You can now turn your spare bike into a cheap-to-rent means of transportation that anyone with AirDonkey app can locate and rent.
The donkey lock is easy to mount and is completely theft, rain and frost proof. You can recharge the battery with a USB cable and it will last for about a year.
Attach the instruction panel to the handlebar to provide an easy-to-use guide for the system. You can also place Donkey Republic stickers on your bike frame and it will be easy to locate for any user.
That's it. Your donkey is ready to roll. For bike owners, the system gives you the chance to earn money on having a spare bike while sharing the good values of biking.
You can set your own rental price and define the zone where the user should drop off the bike. If you need additional security, you can use a leash or a chain to lock your bike to something.
If you want to use your bike privately instead of renting it out, you just turn off the rental function in the app and the donkey lock works as a regular lock.
You could also get a few donkey locks and run it as a part-time business.
For bike users, you will never be without a bike again. When going abroad, you can locate and book a donkey in advance.
You can also check up on bikes' individual features, like a baby seat or a cargo box. The app makes it easy to find a donkey, and it enables you to pay and unlock within seconds. You only need internet connection for booking and payment. but the donkey lock works offline.
Every year, hundreds of millions of people travel the world and visit new cities. Just imagine all of them on a bike.
In January, we launched the first donkeys on the streets of Copenhagen. And our system is reliable. We already have more than 10,000 trips and 500 users.
And this summer, we released over 150 of our own original donkeys on the streets. Now it's time to make donkeys available everywhere, both for bike owners and for users. With your support, we'll be able to improve the software with additional features and gear up our production so we can release donkeys all over the world.
Thank you so much for your time and support. Should we say it together? No. Thank you.